Welcome back, everyone. It's great to see you again. In this video, I'm in the GMC Canyon AT4X AEV edition, but I'm going to be showing you how to use your climate controls in it. I also picked it just because I love the interior. I think it looks amazing and it's unique. But let's go ahead and flip it around. So starting off with the first things first on the climate controls is your heated steering wheel, which is going to be on the bottom right of the steering wheel. We have this highlighted orange button, turning that on or off. Now it does get really warm, which I love. But moving over to all of the climate controls or your main versions. Now you have your temperature display, which you can change. I'm going to change it up a little bit. It's got these nice rubber groovings, as you can see right here. Now you do have the red, but if you want to grip the nice rubber grooving, it is a little bit nicer, a little bit more premium. Now we'll do left to right and then top to bottom, that sort of thing. But you have your ventilated seat or your heated seat, and that's just for the bottom. Unlike like in a Sierra, you have back and bottom. Now you have your directional vent controls, coming from the height, coming in front of you or down low. And then you can turn your air conditioning or / heat on or off just quickly by the press of a button. Heated or ventilated seat for the passenger. And you press it more than once and it'll change the temperature, I should say. I don't know the exact temperature of each one of them, so hopefully there's some tests out there. You have auto, which depending on your temperature will raise or lower the fan speed. Max defrost for the front, max defrost for the rear. You can change your fan speeds. You got the visible display on the screen. You have your circulation, then you can choose your AC or sync. Now, when it comes to sync, it keeps the temperatures the same for the cabin. So if I'm at 80 and 85, now I can move these completely differently. But then I press sync and they pair. I'm moving it down to 85 once again. Clicking auto. Auto and sync are my two best friends when it comes to the climate controls, just because you don't really have to press anything unless you want to customize it. And that's your climate controls on your GMC Canyon. Hopefully it was helpful. I hope y'all are having a great day. I'll see y'all on the next one.